Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have the PlayStation 5. This is the problem with it. Its fan got damaged due to water falling on it. This is why it is being shut down. So today we will do its full service and change its fan. Let's get started. First of all, remove the stand by unscrewing its stand. Slide the cover out. Clean the cover. Slide out the other side cover as well. Open the plastic grates using an opener. To open any model of PlayStation, you will need a T9 screwdriver. Unscrew all the screws of the fan. Disconnect the fan and take it out. It is not working, and that is why it is overheating and shutting down. Clean the fan hole. Unscrew all the screws on the frame. Remember to open the warranty sale only if your product is out of warranty. You can insert an SD card in this space to expand storage. Open the plastic grates at the back with the help of a plastic opener. Open all the screws on the backside too. Open the frame very carefully. Disconnect all connectors of the DVD reader and pull it out. Clean the heatsink and unscrew all of its screws. Disconnect the network wire. Remove the heatsink using an opener. Unscrew the metal cover. Remove the motherboard from the frame. We'll clear the frame. With the help of an opener, the motherboard will be removed from the heatsink. Clean the motherboard with the help of thinner and also remove its cooling pads. Clean the motherboard thoroughly. Install a new cooling pad. Attach the heatsink to the motherboard. Clean the backside of the motherboard thoroughly with the help of a thinner. Unscrew the power supply and remove it from the frame. Open the power supply using an opener. Clean the power supply thoroughly with thinner. Repack the power supply after cleaning it. Pull out the I/O port frame. Unscrew the LED light, take it out, and clean it. Open up the USB and USB-C I/O board and clean it with a cleaner. Open the power and eject button board and clean it with the help of thinner. Reinstall the I/O port frame. Install the power supplier and tighten its screw as well. Mount the motherboard to the frame. New cooling pads have been installed on the front of the motherboard. Install the metal protector and tighten its screws. Install the heatsink and tighten its screws as well. We installed all the parts very quickly. Yes, the fan is damaged, and we will replace it with a new one. Tighten all the screws of the fan. We arranged everything properly. And you can see that the new fan has started doing its work. If you face any problem with your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, you can contact us. Our contact information is given below. So let's test it now. I've been playing games on it for the last 15 minutes and it hasn't shut down yet. That means it is working perfectly fine. So that's it for today. We'll meet again. Until then, bye.